Police in Victoria Falls have recovered the body of an American tourist who died after plunging into the gorge beneath the world-famous waterfall. The body was found washed between rocks nearly 2 days after the fall. Sanabina mashuka anorwadza chinzwa kuti an American tourist dies after falling into Victoria Falls Gorge. Don't forget to subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamunomo mchinzi. A joint operation involving Zimbabwean and Zambian police recovered the body of Zimbabwe. Recovered the body on Wednesday using ropes and police divers. The tourist had gone missing after crossing the Victoria Falls Bridge into Zambia, triggering a cross-border search. Authorities said the alarm was raised by Victoria Falls Lodge on Tuesday when the American guests failed to return. Such efforts intensified after the body was spotted late on Tuesday, prompting officials to shift from a rescue mission to a recovery operation. Police divers secured with ropes made a hazardous descent into the 108-meter deep gorge, placed the body on the stretcher, and hauled it to the surface after several hours. Zambian police later confirmed the identity of the deceased, whose name has not yet been released, pending notification of the next of kin. Investigations into the circumstances surrounding the death are continuing. While Victoria Falls remains one of Africa's safest and most visited tourist attractions, authorities acknowledge a history of rare but tragic incidents involving both local residents and tourists. In January 2021, a Zimbabwean man, Roy George Tinashe Dikinya, died after falling into the gorge on New Year's Day, with his body later found trapped nearly 100 meters below the cliff. Beyond Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe has recorded several high-profile cases of missing or deceased tourists over the years. In the Nyanga National Park, a mountainous and mid-prone region popular with the hikers, multiple visitors have gone missing or died under unclear circumstances. The area's rugged terrain, sudden weather changes, deep ravines, and poor mobile phone coverage is often complicated search and rescue operations. Thomas Konbrani kwa pangwanya pina comment section medu za fundo enyu mutudi pamusoro pe this development. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.